Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, in today's video I will teach you how you can create a Pinterest cover in Canva and earn through it. You can also use this for your own Pinterest account. If you don't know how to create Pinterest account or how you can grow traffic and earn money through it, so let's go to my channel Iron Tech and search the playlist Pinterest marketing course. I uploaded the whole playlist on Pinterest marketing, that how you can create Pinterest account or how you can grow it. So let's go to Fiverr and let's check that there is demand of this skill or not. So Pinterest cover, as you can see there is only 22 services available, mean you have you can easily rank this, and there are also good orders like 5-star reviews, 11 18 4.9 reviews, 18 5 reviews, 3 5 reviews. So almost every freelancer on the page is getting orders. So let's open one of the gig and let's analyze this gig, and after that we are going to canva.com and start making Pinterest design. Header design $10, basic, standard $15, and in premium $20. And this is just a work of 2 to 3 minutes maximum. So you can also analyze his gig and make your gig according to it. So that's it for the Fiverr part, and let's go to Canva and start making Pinterest cover. So I write here Pinterest cover. So it shows me different templates. So I click on Pinterest cover. It is loading, just wait for some seconds. So that's it. It shows me different Pinterest covers. So I click on this because this size is good for Pinterest background cover. So I want to make a Pinterest cover for a fashion brand account. So I will make the cover according to it. So guys, it is loaded. After that I write here fashion. It is, I think it is, I open in the video format, but it's okay, we can change it in picture format. So first of all, so I write here fashion, and there are different templates available, but I want to create a custom. So I click on photos and I write here fashion. And there are a lot of pictures available. I click on this and set image as background. After that, text, no, this image is not no, control Z, and after that I am going to element, click on square, and the square element is here, and after that I am spreading this element on the whole picture. And decreasing his transparency like this. I click on this spirit night and delete these text because I do not need them, and after that head ray, collections. Yeah, it's look nice. So our cover is ready. So guys, this is the video cover, but if you want to download in picture format, click on share button, download, and after that mp4 video to png, and click on download. So it is downloaded in png format. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.